This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate safe actions. First, confirm terminal model and rated voltage. This tells you which connector to use. Next, make sure you have insulated leads, ring lugs, a multimeter, and personal protective gear, because safety prevents mistakes. Then, disable the power source and test the terminal with the multimeter to confirm 0 volts. Once done, you can proceed to attach the ground or common lead without risking a short. Once the terminal is safe and prepped, you move into secure wiring. Strip about 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation and crimp ferrules or solder the conductor for consistent contact, because loose strands cause resistance. Then attach positive, then negative leads. Tighten each terminal to the specified torque to prevent creep. Make sure to route cables away from heat and moving parts, secure with cable ties, and label each connection so you can trace or reverse the work quickly. You finish by powering up carefully and verifying operation. Restore power slowly while watching voltage and current readouts to match expected values. This confirms correct wiring and load behavior. Inspect terminals for heating, arcing, or strange smells. If anything appears, switch off immediately and retorque or reseat the connection. If issues persist, isolate the circuit, retest with your multimeter, and replace the suspect lead or terminal. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.